Namaste everyone. Today we are going to speak about or we are going to learn about Dhataki. Dhataki is one of the Ayurvedic herbal drug which is used for preparing asava aristas. They are mainly fermented decoctions or fermented medicated preparations. This Dhataki is having a scientific name Woodfordia fructicosa. It belongs to the family Lytheraceae. Botanically, its description goes like this. It is a bushy shrub with long spreading branches. Leaves are ovate, linear lanceolate, and they are oppositely arranged. You can see them. It is well appreciated in this picture. They are linear lanceolate type of leaves. And fruits are scarlet red. The below picture shows that the flowers are scarlet red in color, and it is having the shape of a tube like structure, tubular in form, or you can also call them as campanulate shape, and they flower usually during February to April. And then fruits are obviously they are capsules, they are ellipsoid in shape, they are membranous, and they appear during April to June. Seeds are obviously smooth. They are found throughout India up to 1500 to 200 meters range of height. Then their major uh, part used is nothing but the flower. They are 6 grams is the dosage limit for the usage, and they are mainly used for asava arishta preparations. Asuyati iti asava, rishtati iti arishta. That is the definition for asava and the arishta. And then marker compounds are woodforridin C, D, enothin A, B. These two are the marker chemical compounds or the phytochemicals. They exhibit significant host mediated anti-tumor activity. This was the research done when these chemicals were isolated from the plant and used. Then Dhatakyadi Churna and Taila are the common preparations, and Bruhat Gangadhara Churna and Pushyanuga Churna are the famous preparations, whereas Pushyanuga Churna is a famous preparation at the OPD level. It is used to treat Rakta Pradara along with Tandulodaka as Sahapana. Then Arvinda Asava. Arvinda Asava is also another famous preparation of asavas using Dhataki. Almost all the asavas require Dhataki for its preparation, Dhataki Pushpa. Yes, now we will see what our Acharyas have said. Acharyas have said Dhataki Dhatu Pushpicha, Tamra Pushpicha Kunjara, Subiksha Bahu Pushpicha, Vanhi Jwala Cha Sasmruta. These are the synonyms for Dhataki. Dhataki, Dhatu Pushpi, Tamra Pushpi because of its color, Kunjara, Subiksha, Bahu Pushpi, again it is all because of its flower. Vanhi Jwala, it is because of its scarlet red color. Vanhi Jwala is given. Vanhi Jwala is its synonym. And then what are its properties? That is the Rasa Panchaka. Dhataki, Katuka Shita, Mrudu Krutu Vara Laghu. Dhataki is having Katu Vipaka, Kashaya Rasa, Virya is Shita, Guna is Laghu, and Karma is Kapha Pitta Hara and Madakari. Madakari is because it is used for alcoholic fermentative preparations. So these were its Rasa Panchakas or its properties. Then what are its therapeutic indications? Trishna Atisara Pittasra Vishakrimi Visarpajit. So these are its therapeutic indications or for what it is being prescribed. So Trishna is thirst, Atisara is diarrhea, Pittasra is again nothing but bleeding disorders, Visha, Visharoga, toxicity, Krimi is nothing but infections due to pests, and then pathological conditions. For all the Krimi conditions, it is being prescribed. Visarpa is a type of skin disease. Jit means it wins over. It wins over all these diseases, all these vyadis. So, some of the therapeutic uses are used in Shweta Pradara, where Dhataki powder shall be given with honey. And then, as I said, important preparations are the Pushyanuga Churna, where Sahapana is Tandulodaka. Along with that, when you take, yes, definitely the Rakta Pradara will be stopped within a span of 15 days. It will stop within a span of 5 days, but you have to complete the dosage up to 15 days. And then, yes, Charaka has classified this drug under Purisha Sangrahaniya, Mutra Virajnya, and then Sandhaniya. Shushruta and Vagbhata have classified this under Priyangavadi and Ambashtadi Ganas. So, these were the major aspects of Dhataki. So, to wind up, Dhataki Dhatu Pushpicha, Tamra Pushpicha Kunjara, Subiksha Bahu Pushpicha, Vahani Jwala Sasmruta, Dhataki Katuka Shita, Mrudukrutu Vara Laghu, Trishnatisara Pittasra, Visakrimi Visarpajit. It is taken from Bhava Prakashani Gantu. I hope it was a helpful session for you all. Thank you.